Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems to launch this year, the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow. This upgraded model introduces a brand new SpiraFlow real-time self-cleaning roller mop, 20,000 PA suction, dual zero-tangle systems, AI obstacle avoidance, automatic mop heat washing and drying, and full carpet protection. If you want a robot that can truly replace manual cleaning, this is one you'll want to check out. The centerpiece of the Qrevo 2 Flow is the SpiraFlow self-cleaning roller mop. Instead of dragging a passive mop pad, this system uses an active rotating roller that constantly cleans itself while scrubbing floors. This means fewer stains left behind and a much deeper clean, especially on dried spills, sticky spots, and textured floors. Because it cleans in real time, you aren't spreading dirty water around your home. The vacuuming system is just as powerful, pushing out 20,000 PA of suction, one of the strongest in its class. This gives the robot enough force to pull dirt out of carpets, lift debris from gaps, and remove fine dust from hard flooring. The dual zero-tangle system is a huge upgrade for pet owners, using anti-tangle brushes and comb structures to prevent hair wrapping around rollers. AI-powered obstacle avoidance helps the robot move smoothly around your home. It identifies objects like shoes, cables, toys, pet bowls, and avoids them without needing manual intervention. This reduces the chance of interruptions and helps keep cleaning consistent. The base station handles the heavy work with heat washing and heat drying for the mop roller. It washes with hot water, scrubs the roller clean, and dries it to prevent odors or mildew. The robot can return mid-clean, wash itself, and continue keeping performance high throughout the session. Carpet protection is another strong point. The robot automatically lifts its mop, avoids wetting carpets, and switches to high suction when needed. This ensures carpets stay dry, protected, and deeply cleaned. With powerful cleaning, smart AI navigation, real-time mop washing, and an advanced base station, the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow offers a premium, fully automated cleaning experience designed for busy homes, pet owners, and anyone who wants a spotless living space without lifting a finger. If you enjoy daily tech reviews, make sure to subscribe. And if this robot fits your needs, go ahead and grab yours today.